Man, you've been coughing for weeks. Are you okay?
It's just allergies. I'm fine.
You need to go get checked up if you want to be together.
Fine. I guess I'll go to the doctor.
Thank you.
5 days later.
Hey, I did the test and I tested negative for COVID.
Nice. Let me see.
Skip this video if you don't love your mother. Which place would you choose for your mother? Click the follow, like, and share buttons if you choose heaven. I give you 3 seconds to choose.
Here you go. You see, I knew I didn't have COVID.
Oh, great heavens!